Hi Hot Wheels collectors, Donovan the Great One here today with an unboxing of a package I received from some friends of mine in New Zealand, Diecast been friends with them for a while and did a little trading with them and received the package today in the mail. Just opened the flap up here. It was packaged very well, taped up really good here, so just wanted to undo that before I started, and got a little note here I'll read later from them, from Cobra, Eagle, and Falcon. And we got a package here that's nice and tight in here and packaged well. So we'll get that out of here. Got a bubble wrap around the edges. Keep everything safe and snug. And we have a very nice storage box that protected them well during their journey. So, let's see here. We have a Ducati 1098 treasure hunt. Very cool. Got a couple of friend collectors here in the States that have been wanting to get a hold of a couple of these, so I'll be able to share with them. We have a Circle Tracker Hot Wheels Racing from 2010. That's pretty cool. I don't even recall seeing that one over here in the States. And another Ducati. Thank you guys. Like I said, got some people in mind for those here. And another one. Very good. 3 Ducatis. What do we have here? We have the Evil Twin Treasure Hunt from 2007, I believe. Very awesome car. It's interesting seeing cars from other countries as well with the international cards. We have another Evil Twin. Very good. That'll be a good extra to have. We have a first editions 2008 Dodge Cornet Super Bee. Very nice car. Nice bright red. I am a Dodge fan, so really cool car to have for the collection. Thank you guys. We have here Studebaker Avante. Very cool car. Very nicely done with metal base and body. Have the Chevelle SS 396. Also a very good car. Very cool car. Cool graphics on it. Nice paint. The 41 Willies. Could not find this one over here at anywhere. None of my local stores seem to have them. If they did, they were long gone before I got to them at the store. But thank you guys so much. Really like this car a lot. Very cool hot rod type car. Neat graphics on it. Let's see, the Dodge Charger stock car. Now this is just, it's the Circle Tracker, I believe, that they just sent me here. Okay, it's the same thing. Yeah, it appears to be the exact same car, I believe. Just a different card. That's interesting. Because Yeah, it's called a circle tracker on one, and the Charger stock car on the other. Or actually, wait a minute. If I look at the castings, that back window is a little smaller on the circle tracker, so I'm not sure. Oh, and the side exhaust is different on them as well. Okay, so my mistake. I believe it's 2 different castings, but they look very similar. Very similar. It's really hard to tell them apart at all. That's very cool. Oh, the spoiler's different on the rear too. And we have the 67 Chevelle SS 396 Super Treasure Hunt. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So happy to have that too. That is one sweet car. But not as happy as to have the 69 Dodge Corvette Super B. Like I said, I'm a Dodge fan, and I just think this metallic brown is really sweet. Very awesome car. Could not locate one of these either. Really want the Challenger most of all, but really love the Super B as well. So, I want to say a big thank you to Diecast TV channel, Eagle, Falcon, Cobra, for all the sweet cars in the package and the super nice case to store and keep them in. That worked really sweet for shipping. They fit really nicely in there. So, 2 Supers here, the 3 Ducatis, the Chevelle 396, and the Evil Twins and Studebaker, and 41 Willys, and the Circle Tracker and Dodge stock car and Super B. Thanks a ton. Super awesome car lot here. So I encourage everybody to check out Diecast TV channel if you have not yet. They are great people. Really enjoy their hobby over there in New Zealand, as well as much as we do here in the States. So just want to say thank you again to you guys. Take care, and we'll see you later down the road.